Hello, so we have another order to unbox. This time he's huge. This one is sea shipping. Drum roll. I'm so excited. If you haven't watched the previous unboxing video I did since I imported from China, then you have to see that video. I'm a procurement agent, importation coach, right? So I help you import anything and everything from China. I also train you how to import from China, pay your suppliers, ship your items, so your location is not a problem, right? So if you want to reach out to me, send me a DM at Rachael Naabon on Instagram. Okay, in here we have different packages. I have to open this to know what is here because there are a lot, and they are bulky items. So this is our plate rack. This is it. Look at it on the screen. This was what we ordered for, and this is exactly what we got. I'm going to do is it a haul or I'll unbox all of them one after the other, but this is a plate rack. See packaging now. When the Odogo of China import for you, what do you expect? You see how huge this thing is that I can't even do it alone. Andy Money is here with me doing this unboxing. We have Dule Money behind the camera. Oh, I'm wearing their watch. See, look at this. Is that 11-in-1 set iWatch. It comes with AirPod charger, smartwatch, and 7 different stripes. I think there are 11 straps. Oh Lord, listen to this.
No, okay, now.
Okay. This is our pedicure machine. Jesus, you find her.
I don't even forget.
Watch. Who buy watch? Okay. Bye. I think this adhesive tape. Everyone is excited because what they ordered is what they got. Oh, Jesus. This one now. Another plate rack. Another plate rack. Another. Bring. Electric balloon fall. I didn't mention that my sister is into surprises. Dule surprises. So if you want bridal shower, whatever surprises, wedding, and the rest. Let's see this one.
Give me your.
Let's see this one. Dule Empire bag. Oh, look at this bag. Look at bag. Look at the picture on the screen. Look at what we have here. I'm going to unbox this one after the other. There's going to be a part 2 to this unboxing, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you're not following me on Instagram to get latest updates on anything unboxing, follow Rachael Naabon on Instagram, Z+ Importation on Instagram. See now, everyone is excited because it came out well. The bag come out well, and you buy them very cheap. See, what did you hear about us? This is screaming luxury sneakers. Look at the screen. This was what we got. This was what we saw, and this is what we got. What do you have to say? Just let me know your thoughts in the comments. With this, will you agree with me that there are still legit procurement agents, China procurement agents in Nigeria and beyond? Let me show you the next set of shoe. Look at this corporate shoe. The corporate shoe. Corporate shoe that went to Naabon. Luxury corporate shoe. Look at it now. It's too fine. Now jeans, so designers, petals for our decor. Very it's life. Tea bags. See luxury bags. What did you hear about those see luxury bags? Which one? I'm not buying my feather shoe. I think my feather shoe not follow this other. I think my feather shoe follow the Samuel shoe. No, that order where they go in my feather shoe. Not here na your order.
My dress. My dress. Let's pull them out. And this one will be just wash them.
Oh, we're on clothes. So here is our shoe rack, another shoe rack. Look at the picture on the screen. What you ordered is what you get. This is wooden shoe rack, and it came out exactly as we ordered it. Expect part 2 of this video. No, you go check. Oh, I buy some things for myself. You go check your list. Oh, our shoe rack. Look at it on the screen.
Okay, no need to open.
Where we do them, guys? So these are all we got. You see how massive they are. They are really much, and I don't want the video to be too long, so I can't start unboxing them one after the other. So expect subsequent video on our Instagram, our TikTok, and also on YouTube here, where we'll unbox each of the products one after the other. But before that, let's do the last one. The last one. So we have this kitchen spice container. Look at them. Spice container and their rack. They come out one by one. Because this thing, you know, look like it will come on now. Look for they connect. Now 12. They're small.
They're small. They're small. What's with this?
I'm going to put spice inside and chef. Amen. I like how this thing they cover well. Thank God no one break.
Okay, so we have a cloth.
I'm not taking easy on me. I don't know. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. Expect more orders. That your own thing. So you see the orders are littered everywhere. Let's just get everything together and I will get back to you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on bell notification, watch a lot of my videos. We've been doing this for a long time, and if you're still doubting about China importation, you've met the right person.